Picking a wireless mic system isn't just about cutting the cord, it's about avoiding total production failure. But what if the biggest threat to your signal isn't gear? What if it's the person holding the microphone? That's right, the human body is mostly water, which can absorb the very radio frequencies your mic depends on. And simple mistakes in antenna placement, something even pros get wrong, can destroy your system's range. We'll break down the components, the tech, and give you the pro checklist for choosing the perfect system. So why take the risk? The answer is freedom. Freedom for a performer to connect with an audience without being tied down. Wireless systems also mean a cleaner, more professional stage. This simplifies setup and teardown, saving valuable time for your crew. Every wireless system, regardless of cost, has 3 parts you must understand: the microphone, the transmitter, and the receiver. First, the microphone element. This can be a handheld for a singer, a lavalier for dialogue, or a headset for a presenter. Second, the transmitter. This device takes the audio and converts it into a radio wave. It's either in the mic handle or a body pack. And third, the receiver. Its antennas capture that radio wave and convert it back to audio for your mixer or camera. For years, wireless audio was a quality compromise. So what changed? The massive leap from analog to digital technology. The biggest improvement: modern digital systems don't need a compender to squeeze the audio signal for transmission. That old analog process often created audible artifacts, like unnatural pumping or breathing sounds in the audio. Digital systems use advanced error correction, much like a CD player, to rebuild flawed data and keep the signal pure. They also feature intelligent switching diversity, using multiple antennas to instantly pick the strongest possible signal. This digital intelligence is why pros now trust wireless to deliver pristine audio. Are you still using an analog system? Let's apply this. For a singer on a huge stage, the priorities are reliability in a crowded radio space and durability. You'd want a system with frequency agility that automatically hops to a clean channel if interference appears. Now, for an indie film set, the needs are different. Here, hiding the mic and having a portable setup are the main goals. So you'd choose a tiny lavalier mic, a small body pack transmitter, and a compact receiver that mounts right on the camera. The point is clear. Your job dictates your gear. There is no single best system, only the best system for your specific application. But even with perfect digital gear, failure is always an option. You're operating in the invisible, chaotic radio spectrum. You can't just transmit anywhere. The airwaves are regulated. Certain bands are reserved for TV, cell phones, and public safety. That's why you see terms like UHF and VHF, different highways for your audio. UHF offers more lanes and is less congested. Using multiple systems is like cars merging into one lane. That's why a pre-show frequency scan is a non-negotiable step. Now, back to our original point. Beyond radio interference, there's physical interference. The main culprit? You. We said your body blocks the signal. This is why maintaining a clear line of sight from transmitter to receiver is so vital. This leads to the single most common mistake: misunderstanding antennas. Poor placement is the main cause of dropouts. The rule is simple. The receiver's antennas must see the performer. Never bury the receiver in a metal rack without external antennas. This is the final takeaway. Your advanced digital tech is useless if the radio wave carrying it is blocked by bad physics. So, how to choose? A pro rule: estimate your max distance, then buy a system with double that stated range for a safety margin. Next, always use fresh, high-quality batteries. Weak power is a top cause of distortion and sudden signal loss. Finally, master your input gain. Too high causes distortion, too low creates a noisy signal. This adjustment is absolutely fundamental. Choosing the right system means understanding the environment, the technology, and the physics for clear, reliable audio every time.